The E56 is a quadcopter, with arms that fold out and friction lock into place with a nice, satisfying click. Folding up the legs is just as easy, and they nest perfectly against the body. Folded up, the body measures 5.75 inches by 2.75 inches by 1 inch, which fits into most of my shirt pockets easily. The unfolded wingspan is about 8 inches. The unit is very light, at only 3 ounces flight ready. The battery weighs 7 ounces. The only other thing you need to fly this little guy is a smartphone. Sure, there's a thumb-guided controller included in the package, but the smartphone app is much more fun, plus you get to see what the drone's camera is seeing as you fly, and it records directly to your smartphone's camera roll. The unit is very compact and easy to deploy. With short battery life, having easy access to a USB recharger or a computer/car/power outlet that will allow recharging is important. With any drone, there is a huge gap between recharge time and flying time. Be prepared with multiple batteries, if possible. I took it out to a field near my house that is a former elementary school and now houses a teacher training facility. On the weekend, the place is deserted, and I sometimes take our dog here for frisbee and general running fix. Probably 2 acres of flat, treeless grass with no power lines. Neighbors in the area use it to practice golf shots as well.